Hello and welcome to this video bonus for the leads machine funnel. Here it's a page which allows you to promote any YouTube video and get builder leads at the same time, and also of course to grow your email list. So if you go to the funnel of the leads machine, you will find a page called Watch. For instance, on my domain name, this page is shetoldme.com/watch. And then how to use it. You take any YouTube video that you want to promote, and the URL will be like this: youtube.com/watch V equals and the video ID here. So you take the video ID at the end with a V equals, and you paste it. So you take all this and you paste it at the end of your page URL. So for me, I take all this and I put it at the end of my page. So shetoldme.com/watch V equals and the ID of the video. The page will display this YouTube video. It will take the ID in the URL and will display it on the page. But if you don't put anything, you just put shetoldme.com/watch for me, then it will display a default YouTube video, and the ID of this default YouTube video, you have to set it up for you in the JavaScript code in the iframe element that you can find on the page directly. You find the code, and in the iframe, at some point, you will have this piece of JavaScript code. It says if YouTube equals null, means it couldn't find a value in the URL, then it will set the default with this YouTube video ID. It's my video. So of course you should put one of your video on your YouTube channel. That's the idea of this page that you can use to promote any YouTube video. And of course on this page, as I will show you later, it also gives a gift to the viewer, and the gift is an opt-in form to create a Builderall account, and then goes to the thank you page where you can give even more gifts up to you. And that's it. It's the same thank you page as the other part of the funnel. If you have seen the tutorial, you know what I'm talking about. It's the same thank you page that I use. So it will have your default link on the button, etc. But you can change this also. I will show you now. Just to last thing to finish about the U argument. It's a second argument that you can put in the URL. So if you want, you can also set the U argument in your URL so that the thank you page will have the link that you want on the button, on the green button. So let's say I want to promote a YouTube video and I want that my gift is a link to Google, google.com. I will add ampersand, the end sign, ampersand, U equals, and I put the URL with https://google.com. I'll add this to my URL of my watch page, like this, shetoldme.com/watch V equals my video ID, ampersand, U equals, and my destination link for my gift. This U argument is totally optional. If it is not present, the link on the green button on the thank you page will be the default one that you have set in the script of the thank you page. So do not worry about it. I mean, the gift that you offer people who watch your video, the main gift is the Builderall free plan account. And then you have other gifts. So, but if you want to promote a video and a lead magnet, a link, then you can use both arguments, V and U. That's it. Now we are going to see really in the Cheetah editor how to do it. So now we are in Cheetah, and on this funnel that I've shared with you, you can find the reserve link, the thank you page, even the tutorial page, and also a watch YouTube page. That's this page that I'm talking about in this video. Now, in the settings of the site, in global element, you will find a pop-up. In pop-up, that's the pop-up we use on the YouTube Watch page, because to get the gift, they just have to click a button and then it opens the pop-up. This is a pop-up with a magic funnel inside, like I've shown you before in other videos of this tutorial. So it's another magic funnels, you know, classic, exactly the same, but it will open in a pop-up. You know, you can see here, office.builderall.com, goes to the thank you page after, and below we can see the fields with cadastro, nom, email, AID, etc. So of course, here you have to change by your affiliate ID. So it was just to show you that there is a global pop-up in this place that you should change in order for it to work for your affiliate ID. But now, if we go to the page, watch YouTube page, we will look at the code in the iframe, how it is set up. You know, this here it displays the video, it is an iframe element. You can see iframe, general settings, and here in embed doc, you have the code. So, you know, to edit it, you can copy and paste it in a text editor, make your changes, and then copy and paste back into this very small window, which will be improved for sure in the future. But here you can see at some point we can find the JavaScript which reads the URL. If you cannot find YouTube video ID in the URL, then it sets the default video ID is here. So you should change it, apply, and that's what will be shown here when you look at your page. So maybe we can try it to show you, but maybe not, because you can understand that or how it will work. Of course, if I put the ID of a YouTube video on the page, it shows this video, and when they click here, it opens a pop-up and says to get your gift, fill it in, and then goes to the thank you page. So that's all there is to it, and with this page you can promote any YouTube video, and it will serve you as a leads machine as well, because watch, then grab your gift below, so they can watch the video. Here there is a countdown, evergreen countdown of about 5 minutes, just to put some pressure to get the gift before it runs out. But when it goes to 0, nothing happens. You know, it's just a trick, a gimmick. But it's nice to have something moving. And I'm ready. Give me my gift. Click, open the pop-up, fill it in. Up, they have their Builderall account, and they go to the thank you page. So that's fine. They can come back later to this page. The countdown is based on a cookie, so maybe it will go to 0, but it doesn't matter. The job is done already. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can put them in the comment of this video. And if you like it, the best things to do with this whole tutorial is to learn to use it for yourself, and then make a tutorial video to explain to others how they can use it. You know, you can give them the link to import your own funnel, and you explain it, or you can say to people, if you want it, I can do it for you for free. Just register under me, and I can set it up for you, so you are ready to grow your leads list and also your email list, and get going immediately with the best tools to do this job. So every day you just promote YouTube videos, or you promote links to anything. You don't have to create any lead magnet, but you can if you want, because everything is a lead magnet when you have those pages set up. You just promote, or you can make videos, and in the link of your description you can put those links of this funnel, so you can have passive traffic coming to your videos and then going to those pages where people register. So if you are up to working a little bit, you can install them, show them, make tutorials, you know, do some work around it, because it's quite new, and you know, for many people it's difficult to do, even if it's very simple. As you can see in those tutorials, once you know it, you have done it a few times, then it's easy for you, but not for most people. So you can provide this service for free, or to be paid for free, of course, if they are your own customers, Builderall customers, or for a fee for other Builderall users who are not under you. If they want this, you can set it up on their account, for a fee. And generally make videos just to have passive traffic in the coming months. Passive traffic, so you have a lot of videos that you can do around this funnel. I just thought about that maybe you are interested in seeing the script in the iframe. So you see JavaScript style. You have some style for YouTube. You have a div, that's where the YouTube video will show. And then you have the script, which starts with the function setYouTube, which gets the v parameter, sets the default video ID, and then here it creates the code to embed YouTube into the div that we have seen here. Okay, so it shows YouTube, and then set timeout for setYouTube. So it calls the function setYouTube to display YouTube. And then we have the cookie setCookie. This is for the U argument. So it gets the U argument. If there is none, it doesn't set the destination per default. So it will use the destination per default from the thank you page. And then it sets the cookie to the destination. So either the value of U or nothing. If it's nothing, the thank you page will use its own default destination link. So that's it for this script that we have in the iframe of the Watch YouTube page. Bye bye!
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builder Raw, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A builder raw rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builder raws for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.